You might have probably heard of the Opensea platform if you've ever tried to learn more about the now popular non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or venture into it. The platform is perhaps the most popular entrance into the NFT platform, and you may be contemplating it as the marketplace through which you'll learn about and interact with the industry. It's critical to have a fundamental grasp of how creating and selling your first NFT works before you begin. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about the Opensea platform, including how to create and trade NFTs on the platform. You could view Opensea as an eBay for selling NFTs, and you can choose your desired price for your NFTs. People could hit the purchase button now and then, but you can also put your NFTs up for auction. It's an excellent platform, and it is very easy to navigate. The user experience has been claimed to be excellent, which is critical since you want people to be able to buy and sell your items effortlessly, which Opensea will enable you to achieve. I believe that is the most convenient platform to create and sell your products. But before I go into explaining that, let's review some of the fundamentals of NFTs and the reason why Opensea is a very suitable marketplace to venture into trading NFTs. What exactly are NFTs? People are beginning to evolve from buying and possessing things that exist in real life to buying and owning investments in the virtual world since the birth of Bitcoin in 2009. Cryptocurrency, which uses blockchain as its primary technology, authorizes the users to own and transfer wealth through the internet without the necessity for a third party. Surprisingly, NFTs take more benefit of this capacity to open up new possibilities based on the uniqueness of these virtual investments. Unlike fungible or interchangeable crypto assets like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Binance Coin, NFTs utilize blockchain technology to develop virtual assets that are assuredly unique and non-interchangeable. Let me explain that better. NFTs offer the non-fungibility that is required for introducing unique virtual and real-world assets to the blockchain. And this NFT can be anything, ranging from virtual art, a computer-generated asset, or music that requires a mechanism for verifying its uniqueness, rarity, and ownership status in the virtual world. Without engaging third parties, the ownership of an NFT can be transferred in exchange for virtual currency. However, any prospective buyer and seller are expected to finalize this process on a platform developed particularly for the listing and trading of NFTs. NFT markets are the name for these platforms. So with that being said, let's talk about what the Opensea NFT market is and why you should care about it. Opensea is an NFT marketplace that got in on the ground floor of the NFT revolution early enough to become a choice location for both NFT traders and creators. Opensea's success may also be attributed to its open world concept, which allows anybody to feel in control of their activities and manufacture NFTs for free and purchase and trade them on a certifiable blockchain-based infrastructure. And because there are little or no limitations in place to hinder the creative and transactional processes, this open world concept has attracted a large number of NFT creators. Although as much as some people see this open world concept as an important feature of Opensea's operations, the absence of limits has been highlighted as a ticking bomb, to the point that Opensea had to temporarily limit the number of NFTs each user are normally allowed to mint, but they quickly reversed this decision after a major outrage from the NFT community. Despite the concerns surrounding Opensea's functions, it remains the largest NFT platform, processing over $3.5 billion in Ethereum-based NFT deals in 1 month alone. To put this figure in context, Opensea only had $20 million in NFT trading volume for the full year of 2020. Why is Opensea a preferred platform in the NFT market as a whole? One of Opensea's main advantages, as I previously mentioned, is that the marketplace is decentralized, meaning that all deals and activities are recorded in real time on the blockchain. It has also extended its activities to include Ethereum, Polygon, and Kotlin, free blockchain infrastructures. This means that you can purchase NFTs on Opensea with any of these blockchain wallets. Opensea has also made all of its primary functions like minting, buying, and selling NFTs easy to grasp. The user interface is very easy to understand. It won't take you much to grasp the functions on the site. Now, the most interesting part of it is that it provides a gasless or free method of minting NFTs owing to Polygon integrations. Compared to some other platforms, it is completely free and you do not have to pay a gas fee to create your NFT. With that being said, how do you go about creating your NFTs on Opensea? Before you can engage with NFTs on Opensea, you'll need to create an account as a new user. And before you do that, make sure you get the correct link to Opensea, which is opensea.io. There are a lot of catfish sites out there that can draw funds from your wallet if you sign up on them. So before you create your account on opensea.io, you'll need to create an Ethereum-based wallet. Opensea supports various wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, Quartz, Ethereum, Bitski, Wallet Connect, and many others. But the wallet I'm going to be explaining with is the MetaMask wallet. To sign up on this wallet, you need to download the MetaMask Google Chrome extension, set up your MetaMask wallet, and fund it with Ethereum. Once you have your MetaMask wallet ready, you can create your Opensea account. Now, after you link your wallet, you'll be sent to your profile page on Opensea. You need to modify your account to suit your style because it is now in the default design. But before you can move on to this page, Opensea will require you to sign a contract with them. After you've completed this step, you may now personalize your account by creating a username, updating your bio, and uploading a profile photo. After all the setup is done, then you are ready to create your NFTs now. One thing I want you to keep in mind is that it depends on whatever blockchain you want to use to create your NFTs. You'll probably need to have enough coins in your wallet to fund transaction costs. Now, once you have taken care of that, then you are ready to mint your NFTs. You can create your NFTs in single or collections on Opensea. Now, if you want to create single NFTs, navigate to your account page and select the Create icon. Then enter the name you want the NFT to bear. Add a description URL link, plus anything else you want to add to the NFT. Once you are done with that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Create. Once that is done, your NFT is available to be minted. Creating an NFT collection is almost the same process as creating a single NFT. So, navigate to your account page and click on My Collections icon. The next thing is to click on the Create New Collections option and click on Create After. The next thing is to name the collection, add a description, and upload your image. To add to your collection a personal and distinctive vibe, you can always experiment with the countless editing tools on the page. Now, if you want to upload another NFT to that collection that you've just created, select the Add New Item icon to add the NFT. Once you do this, you'll be sent to a page where you may add in the name you want for the NFT and add information like a picture, video, or audio. You may also add attributes to assist potential purchasers to sift through NFTs in your collection, such as the date the NFT was generated or something unique. Once you're pleased with all you've done so far, select Create and sign the message that has been sent to your linked wallet. You will not have to pay a transaction fee to finalize your NFT minting procedure if you choose to create your NFT on Polygon, but creating it on Ethereum will attract a network cost, and with that, your collection is available to be minted. Now that you have successfully created your NFTs on Opensea and are ready to be purchased, how do you go about selling them? It is as simple as creating your NFTs. The first thing you want to do is to select your profile image in the top right corner of your account page to show the profile option. Once you get to your profile page, you'll be sent directly to your wallet. From this page, you'll be able to choose which NFTs you want to sell. Now, after you've confirmed what NFT you want to sell, you'll be taken to the description page of the NFT. The next thing is for you to click on the sell button, and you'll be taken to the listing page. From this page, you have the option of fixing a set price for the NFT, or opting for a timed auction, which compels potential bidders to outbid themselves to obtain this NFT. You may also impose a time limit on the sale or reserve the NFT for a certain customer upon request. All of the costs connected with this transaction are listed at the bottom of this page, and I want you to note that all purchases made on your account will be subject to a 2.5% service fee and a 10% royalty fee due to the NFT's original inventor. After that is done, you would need to sign a transaction in your wallet to approve the sale after checking the facts of the transaction. To proceed, you must first initiate your wallet, because this is your first time selling an item on the Opensea marketplace. You may also want to keep in mind that you will go through additional confirmation steps to verify your NFT before you're allowed to sell it on Opensea, especially if you imported your NFT from a third-party marketplace or didn't originally create it on Opensea. Like I said earlier, be sure to thoroughly verify both MetaMask and Opensea websites before you sign up on them to avoid signing up on catfish sites. This will save you from a lot of headaches because your wallet will be accessible to the catfish site should you link your wallet to it. And on that note, we've come to the end of this video. Let us know in the comments section your opinion about the Opensea NFT marketplace. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video.